Hi, my name is Suhail and welcome to PERSQM, the Experience Center of iNTEGRA. At this Experience Center, we have some unique technologies that we design and install over here across the United Arab Emirates. We'd like to show you some of them. At iNTEGRA, we are a manufacturer of mirror TV systems. Over the last 15 years, we have installed over 2,500 unique mirror TV systems. What is a mirror TV? Well, it's a bespoke display system that is a mirror when the TV is switched off and a TV when it's turned on. So we've made mirror TVs from 13 inches all the way up to 115 inches. We've supplied them for bathrooms, for bedrooms, majlises and living rooms. So right now you see a display, and at the press of a button, when you switch it off, the TV vanishes, leaving behind a mirror. At iNTEGRA, we design and install the famous laundry jet, the world's first centralized laundry collection system where you can transport your clothes, your household linen and towels from the bedroom straight into the laundry room. The system consists of a machine that's installed in the laundry room, and it's connected to all the bedrooms through an intelligent port that's activated by gesture. We'll show you a demo. So this extraordinary system is something that adds tremendous value and appeal into the property, and we design and install this in some of the most iconic projects over here in the UAE. At iNTEGRA, one of the unique solutions that we have is central vacuum system. It consists of a machine that's kept in the service area of the house that's connected to different parts through these inlets. Whenever the user wants to clean, they go to the nearest inlet and open up or pull out a hose. You can pull out these hoses by 15 meters, go to the nearest cleaning kit, connect it, and once you've locked the hose, the machine gets turned on. Right now we've got a tea powder over here we are cleaning. And once we've released the lock, the hose goes back inside. So it's an amazing product that has a lot of appeal in the commercial and residential sector, and we design and install them over here in UAE. At iNTEGRA, our bread and butter is providing smart control systems for all kinds of properties. We provide the lighting control, climate control, motor control systems, also do access control and intrusion detection systems, along with ELV solutions such as CCTV and Wi-Fi access points. Our in-house team of designers and technicians are able to install systems in wired and wireless platforms. We represent almost 8 to 10 different brands, offering different types of options for keypads, touchscreens, and wiring accessories for the most discerning requirements. So do visit our Experience Center where you could experience all these technologies and a lot more. We look forward to welcoming you.